Next to you. That's where I'm going. The giant space next to your fucking car, that's where I'm going. You shut the fuck up. You just said shut the fuck up first, bro. Come on. I'm going left, you fucking idiot. I'm going left. What am I supposed to do here? So I'm supposed to turn left from here. I'm supposed to turn left from the right lane. Buddy, take those fucking shades off. You look like a dick. I swear to God, man. Holy fuck. Shut the fuck up.